Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. In today's video, as you read by the title, we are going to be dyeing my hair, how I do it, the tips and tricks that I do that I wanted to share with y'all. This is the after look when it was all dyed and done. I am still loving this curling wand. Super simple, super easy, doesn't take any time. But this is what the finished product looks like. It doesn't take very long. I hope that this helps anybody that is doing box dyes at home since day and age has changed. And y'all will see the rest of it. So continue to watch. Please do give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way really does help my channel. And here we go. Hi guys. So as you read, as we explained earlier, I am going to be doing a video hair dye tutorial. Now this was requested by one of my subscribers, and I hope I don't get your name wrong. It is Kiva. It has the little thing over the top of her name, so I'm not sure how to say that, but nonetheless, here we are. So it is Wednesday. Now I don't wash my hair but twice a week. I wash it on Wednesdays and I wash it on Saturdays. So I done had my shower for the day, but I did not wash my hair. Going through cosmetology school, the oils that are in your hair, you need to have dirty hair to dye your hair. It does better, it stays better, it doesn't hurt your hair as much because your natural oils are in there. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I dye my hair. I am in my hair dyeing shirt. As you can see, I would suggest getting you a shirt that you use consistently with dyeing your hair, because you are going to get stuff on it. It's going to happen. It's on my shoulders, it's on the back of my shirt. It's going to happen. So dye your hair in something that you don't mind getting hair dye on, and hair dye stains. Duh, it's a dye. Either way, let's go ahead and get into this because God knows I need it. So I do have some grays coming in my young age of 42. But I've been growing my hair out for 2 years now. I am thinking about doing how I grew my hair out, what I used, what I stopped using, that kind of thing. So if you're interested in that, please comment down below and let me know. But for today's video, we are going to be using the Revlon 30 Dark Brown Color Silk Beautiful Color. This is what I use. This or the Corn Silk, that's like $2. I don't go overboard on hair dye. I dye it like once a month, maybe, depending on how fast the gray comes in or how fast I lose the tint in my eyebrows. I do tint my eyebrows when I dye my hair. Sorry, the girls are over here playing. Hey, y'all better be nice. Okay, sorry guys. Girls are gonna fight over a plastic bottle. Great toy for them, but if you have more than one, it turns into issues. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this done so that I look back to normal. Like I said, do dye your hair when it's dirty. Your natural oils will protect your hair more. If you do hear the plastic in the background, it is Chloe. I do apologize. I'm a dog mom. So, I don't usually recommend a box dye. But like I said, with as much as I dye it, I don't put highlights in. I don't bleach my hair any longer. Cool, now they both have one. Girls! Again, here we go. Alright, so, like I said, I don't recommend box dyes. But for the sake of the video, the sake of I don't bleach, I don't highlight, I don't purple, blue, green. I don't put color in my hair anymore. I have just been letting it grow out. So it is, for the most part, pretty healthy. I don't have a whole lot of split ends, so I don't mind using the hair dye from Walmart, department store, whatever. So if you are new to dyeing your hair, do keep the little tab that comes in your hair dye. It will give you the color of, I was fixing to say that's not the one I got. Okay, it will give you the color of what you used always, so that you can take it with you to the store and get the same color, because we've all been there, I'm sure. Dyed your hair, thought you got the right color, go back and you end up with a totally different color. So it does, of course, come with instructions, your gloves, the whole 9 yards, how long you're supposed to leave it on, your developer bottle, your color, and then the after color conditioner. So these are the main 3 things that will be in your box. You pour number 2 into number 1, you shake it up, you put it on your head, you wait the allotted time, you rinse it out, blah, 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 blah. Everybody knows how to dye their hair, I'm sure. But this is how I do it. And since I was asked to do this, I am going to. So you just cut the tip off so that it will come out. I always shake my color before I put it in the little developer. And I've never dyed my hair anywhere other than in the bathroom. So this is very much different for me. And I hope I don't drop it in my chair. So number 2 into number 1. In the little information pamphlet will be your gloves. So just take your gloves off before you shake, mix, anything. Wear your gloves, guys. Hair color can break you out. If you're allergic to it, it can stain your hands. So do wear your gloves. And as you can see, for this hair dye, it is leave-in for 25 minutes. I usually do a little bit longer. I don't know why, I just do. I end up busy doing something else, and I don't feel like it's going to hurt anything, but alright, so shake it up. I always start at my roots in the front. And then just put it on. So I'm going to pause and do this, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I do have the hair dye all over my head. If you do get it on you, sometimes you get it on your hands past your gloves. Take a regular baby wipe, unscented, scented, doesn't matter, and get it off right then, and it will come right off. On your skin, if you have big spots that you can see that you can take off, go ahead and do so. But if it's really close to your hairline, leave it. If you wipe too much off, you're going to have mismatched hair, some dyed and some not. And those little hairs you really do want all dyed. So there is my hair all dyed right now, and 99% of the time I dye my hair by myself. So what I end up with is what I get is what I get. And then I also tint my eyebrows at the same time of dyeing my hair. So I just run my little spoolie through my eyebrows, get them all up. If you want to do a pre-game eyebrow get ready, trim them, pluck them, the whole 9 yards, groom your eyebrows before you dye them, go ahead and do so. But I just comb them up. I use a Q-tip and I just put the hair dye where my eyebrows are. And it's okay to go a little over, just for the simple fact that you want all of your hairs dyed. You don't want any that are a different color than the rest. So going over a little bit, it'll be alright. And if you can't get the color off right then, it will eventually come off. Okay, so there is one eyebrow colored, or got the color on. And I just leave my eyebrow color for 5 to 7 minutes. You don't want to leave your eyebrow color on longer than that. I know some people will tell you not to use hair color on your eyebrows. I've been doing it before it was cool. And I've never had a problem. I've never had my eyebrows fall out. I've never had any of those complications, so I've always done it. I know it looks crazy, but the end result will do exactly what I want it to do. And you want to put a good amount, just so that it all, like I said, dyes the same color. Okay, guys. So, there is my hair and my eyebrows with the dye in. I am going to wait the allotted 25 minutes or so. And then I will be back after I've rinsed it out to show you that and what it looks like. So, we shall return. Okay, guys, so we are back. I did wash everything out. As you can see, my eyebrows are darker. I don't have too much discoloration. I have a little spot right there, which all of that will be covered up by makeup. I will tell you that when you are dyeing your hair, if you are doing a darker color like I did, do make sure to use a dark towel. From somebody that does the laundry, it takes a while to get that stuff out of our towels. My earring is stuck in this towel. Okay, I'm free. So there is what it looks like after being washed out. There's not much discoloration to my scalp or my forehead. All my little hairs made it in there, as you see. They are all darker. So there is that. It doesn't feel horrible. I'm not excessively shedding. I mean, there's some shedding. It's gonna happen. But I am going to throw in some of the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. I use this every time I wash my hair. I am also going to throw in some of the Living Proof Nourishing Style Cream that stops frizz. I will also be throwing in some coconut milk hair mist with vitamin E from Soapbox, and the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. All of these products are what I put in my hair every time I wash it. It does seem like a lot, but it's really not, or I don't think it is. Everything does something totally different. You've seen my hair, so you know what it looks like after I use said products. So I'm going to put my products in, and then I'm going to give it a little bit, and then I will dry my hair. I will style it, come back looking human, and that's it, guys. That is how I dye my hair at home with a box hair dye. So I hope this helped. Comment down below. Let me know how you dye your hair, if you dye your hair, the whole 9 yards. Okay, guys, so that was it. This is the finished product. Once again, I think it turned out really well. As always, doesn't take very long. It is a box dye, of course. And our Kiva, you know who you are. I hope this helped you. It is a dark brown. I know it looks black on camera, but it is a brown dye. So thank you again, guys, for your continued support and love for me and our channel. I greatly do appreciate it. As always, until next time, y'all stay beautiful.